Hey, gardeners! Have you noticed that chill in the air? October is here, and let me tell you, this is the month that could make or break your garden. But don't worry, I've got your back. Today, we're diving into the ultimate October garden maintenance checklist for Zone 8. These tips will keep your garden thriving through the cooler months and set you up for success next year. Miss out on these, and you might end up with a garden full of regrets. Clean up and prepare for frost. First up, it's all about the cleanup. I know it might not be the most fun part, but trust me, it's essential. Start by clearing out any spent summer plants. They've done their job, and now they're just taking up space. Not only will this make room for new growth, but it'll also reduce pests and diseases that could carry over to next season. And don't forget to rake up those fallen leaves while they're pretty. They can smother your lawn and spread fungus. Tackle weeds before they take over. October might feel like a winding down month, but weeds don't care about that. In fact, some weeds thrive in cooler weather, so now's the perfect time to pull them before they get out of hand. Plus, getting them out now means fewer headaches in the spring. Protect your perennials. Next, let's talk perennials. These hardy plants can survive the winter, but they still need a little TLC. Cut back any dead or diseased parts, but don't prune too much. You want to leave enough for them to stay protected during the colder months. Also, give them a nice layer of mulch to insulate the roots and prevent frost damage. Think of it like tucking them in for a cozy winter nap. Plant fall bulbs for spring glory. Here's the fun part planting for next year. October is the ideal time to plant your spring bulbs like tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths. Zone 8's mild winters are perfect for giving these bulbs just enough chill time to bloom beautifully in spring. Get them in the ground now, and your future self will thank you when your garden bursts with color. Come April, get the best harvest. Prep your veggie beds. If you're growing vegetables, don't forget your beds. Remove any leftover summer crops and turn over the soil to expose pests to the cold air, which will help reduce their population. You can also plant cool season veggies like spinach, kale, and garlic. These crops love cooler temps and will keep your garden productive, even as winter approaches. Water wisely. As the temperatures drop, you might be tempted to stop watering, but hold up. Your plants still need moisture to make it through the cooler months. However, you should adjust your watering schedule less frequent, but deeper watering is the key. And if you're expecting frost, water in the morning to help protect your plants overnight. Bring in tender plants. Lastly, don't forget about those tender plants. For Zone 8 gardeners, we're lucky that our winters aren't harsh, but frost can still sneak up on us. Move any potted plants like citrus or tropicals indoors before the first frost hits. You'll save yourself a lot of heartache if you act now. Alright, Zone 8 gardeners, that's your October maintenance checklist. Take care of these tasks, and your garden will thank you with a strong, healthy start next season. What's on your October garden to-do list? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more garden tips to keep your space thriving year-round.